Hello students, today we are going to do one practical related to animal cell. I have once shown you the practical related to plant cell using onion. Today we are going to see the chick cell, which is by the help of our own chick cell, human chick cell. And for this, the requirements which we need to do in our practical is first of all a compound microscope. Then we need a slide, these are the slides. Then we need a stain, this is methylene blue. Then we need cover slip, and this somewhat looks like this, and then we need a dropper, and then we need a blotting paper, a beaker, and then we need a fresh and good slide which is already cleaned. We need a needle also for doing this experiment. So what you need to do at first is that you have to clean one slide. Okay, this is cover slip and slide, so both of them you have to clean it properly and then dry it. Okay, then from the inner that is your lower lips, from the inner surface of the lower lips, with the help of this cover slip you have to scrap little bit of tissue. You will not injure yourself, it is just very slightly you have to take off little bit tissue from your mouth. Okay, so before that we need one dropper also. Let me see, where is the dropper? Yes, here is the dropper. So with the help of the dropper we will put one drop of water into this slide, in the center of this slide, like this. Okay, and then we will be scraping off the inner tissues from the lower cheeks. Okay, somewhat like this it will be. And now with the help of this needle we are going to transfer this in this slide. Okay, so let us transfer this into this slide. Yes, it has been transferred. Now next what you will be doing is that you have to take out the methylene blue. For seeing the animal cell we need methylene blue, and for seeing the plant cell we need safranin. So just one drop of methylene blue, and we will put it into this slide in which our chick cells are present. And now with the help of needle we will be mixing it with the specimen well and put the cover slip in a slow and gentle manner. Okay, very slowly and gently we will be putting into it. Okay, so this is how the slide will be prepared, and now this slide is ready. Now we will be placing it under the compound microscope. Okay, so we will be placing it under the compound microscope. Now at first we will be putting it in the low power. So let me first focus it. This is, yes, this is the low power, and then gradually we will be bringing it down, and after bringing it down we will be seeing the animal cell under the microscope, which will look somewhat like this. So this is how the cells will look under the microscope, and this was today's practical. I hope you understood that how to see the animal cell under the compound microscope. That's all. Thank you.